This is 2000 model Maruti Suzuki Baleno Asian model. These are the necessary items I used. Disassemble and stripping car down before paint on it. This car is 96 bhp 134 Nm torque, inline 4, front wheel drive, transverse engine. These will be project car for my upcoming innovating projects. For implementing and prototype testing. At first I start from inside by removing rear seats, so I get more space to remove all panels. I removed each carpet when I get easy access at first. Removing side door trims and panels at first is a good idea, so it can avoid heavy scratches from sharp objects. I left door and glasses removing last. The socket ratchet tool is good option to remove all bolts which are rusted. Heavy rusted bolts I use the propane torch and heat gun to remove bolts with ease. Removing all the seats makes good access to all side trims. Few fastener makes me a bit confusing, so I took multiple pictures, so I can manage to guide it when assembling all together. I left dash and wiring harness, and masking them is a good idea. Here you can see the interior which are all a bit rusty and painted over rusted metals as well. Removing taillight was not much difficult. When removing rear bumper, the supports are a bit a task, and some of them are degraded too. When it comes to front bumper, the bolts are trusted, so I used hammer drill and rust-free spray and removed the bumper with ease. The headline light fasteners are behind the bumper and I got access to remove that too. This light are oxidized, must be restored soon before assembling. The bumper supports are crumbled, must be minor accident because engine bay looks good in shape. Inside engine bay the paint seems messy, metals and plastic are corroded. That will take care later. All the parts are stored in my lab. So let's rebuild this project car. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Awesome videos are coming soon. So stay tuned. Click the bell icon so you don't miss an update. See you then.